Instagram has finally updated their desktop site to allow users to access their direct messages outside of the mobile app. In this video, I will be showing you how to access your Instagram DMs on the web. Now let's get started. To begin, go to your Instagram, come in your browser and log into your Instagram account. Then click the paper line icon in the top right corner to access your direct message inbox. On the left, you will see a list of all your existing conversation. Click on any of these to open a conversation and continue it. To start a new conversation, tap the new button you can see here. Chat with, click on their name when it appears in the search list, then click next. Then you can type your any message here and send emojis, photos and heart. If you click the I button in the top right corner, you can delete this conversation and mute messages from this conversation, or block or report the person you are talking to. That's all it takes to send Instagram direct message from the desktop site. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we loved it if you hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this every day. Thank you.